Good evening, it's Matt here. I'm just going to pick a couple of Era 5-lever insurance padlocks. Just a bit of fun really. I have picked these before, so it shouldn't be too difficult. These are fairly easy padlocks to pick open anyway. There's no false gates or anything on them, so we'll do this one first. This is the older one of the two. I think it looks older anyway. It's a bit more beaten up. That's what the key bitten looks like. It's still, even though it's beaten up, it still actually works really nicely. It's very smooth. Using this tension tool and a pick wire, I'll just get to it. So I normally just start at the front and just lift everything a little bit just to see if there's any movement. Got a little bit of movement off of lever 1. Just going to go back to the start, touch lever 1, there you go. That's that one open. Second one is a bit nicer looking. I don't know if it's newer, probably is. It's a brass key. Again, this one's very smooth, works perfectly well. That's what the key bitting looks like on this one. And we'll give this one a go. See how we go on. Okay, the same again. Just going to go through each one. So 1 is loose, 2 is loose, 3 is loose, 4, tiny little bit of movement, 5, I think, feels quite heavily bound, I think. Just going to lift the tension off and see. Yeah, I think I'm just hitting the bolt actually there. So start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five just dropped there, I think. And I hit 1. Dropping again. This definitely is a bit more tricky than the other one. Oh, that's better. That feels like 5 is lifted and stayed where it was. No, it's maybe just dropped again. Stay there. Keeps dropping. Just going to reset that again. Lever 5 is the only one that's really binding. and feels like you're getting it set, but then as soon as you touch something else it drops back down again, so let's make sure I'm tensioning it right. A little bit of movement there. Sorry, this is taking longer than I thought it was going to. Ah, there we go. Yeah, so I don't know what was going on there, but lever 5 was binding. You lifted it till it felt like it was in the gate, and then as soon as you touch something else, it was dropping back down again. So yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there, but that's it open anyway. These are nice padlocks if you want to get into lever padlocks. These are a good one, as well as the smaller ones like the Squires 440s, etc. or the cheaper silver lines. They're quite a good one to start with as well. You can pick these up off of eBay quite cheap. There we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.